India's Unified Payments Interface, or UPI, a real-time payment system developed by the National Payments Corporation of India, is rapidly emerging as a global alternative to traditional payment systems like Visa and Mastercard. What started as a domestic innovation to simplify digital payments has now become a powerful tool of financial diplomacy, enabling seamless transactions across borders and challenging the dominance of Western card networks. This shift is not just a technological achievement. It's a strategic milestone in India's digital and economic growth story. UPI allows users to instantly transfer money between bank accounts using a mobile device without needing a credit or debit card. Its user-friendly interface, low transaction costs, and interoperability across banks have made it hugely popular in India. Now, India is extending this model to foreign countries, forming partnerships with governments and fintech companies to make UPI available to Indian travelers and NRIs. Countries like Singapore, the United Arab Emirates, France, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Mauritius, and Nepal have already joined hands with the National Payments Corporation of India to enable UPI-based payments. For example, in Singapore, UPI is linked with PayNow, allowing real-time remittances. Similarly, in France, Indian tourists can pay in rupees at the Eiffel Tower using UPI. Such developments reduce the reliance on foreign exchange, credit cards, and transaction fees associated with Visa or Mastercard. Unlike Visa or Mastercard, which charge high fees for processing international transactions and rely on card-based infrastructure, UPI operates on a direct bank-to-bank model with minimal costs. It bypasses intermediaries, leading to quicker and cheaper transactions. Moreover, UPI is more inclusive. Anyone with a basic smartphone and a bank account can use it, even in remote areas. For foreign countries, integrating UPI means tapping into a massive Indian tourist and diaspora market. With millions of Indians traveling abroad every year, enabling UPI payments can really boost tourism and, simplify remittances. At the same time, merchants abroad benefit by avoiding expensive POS infrastructure and those card swipe charges. UPI's global push is part of India's digital diplomacy. Just as China expanded the use of Alipay and WeChat Pay internationally, India is using UPI to expand its economic influence. It strengthens bilateral relations, boosts the credibility of Indian fintech, and opens the door for cross-border trade in Indian rupees. Replacing Visa isn't just about competition. It symbolizes India's self-reliance in digital infrastructure. With UPI, India is reducing dependency on Western-controlled financial systems and setting the stage for a more multipolar global payment architecture. The global acceptance of UPI marks a paradigm shift in the digital payments world. It's fast, low-cost, and secure, qualities that make it appealing to both users and merchants. As more countries adopt UPI, India's homegrown system is not only replacing Visa in key areas, but also positioning India as a global fintech leader. This achievement reflects the power of innovation in reshaping the world's financial landscape. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Well, see you in the next video.